Hey everyone, Clifton here with Clifton Creative Academy, and in this tutorial we're going to be learning how to install a WordPress theme. Okay, so what I have here is a default WordPress install. When you first install WordPress, this is what it looks like. It just has a very basic theme, doesn't really have a lot going on, and most people are looking for a website or a blog site that has a little bit more presentation to it. So let's get right to it. So from here I'm going to go to the dashboard, click on Appearance, Themes, and this will take me to the current theme that I have now, which is 2019. This is the default WordPress theme. And to see the themes that are available, click on Add New, and you'll be presented with all the free themes in what's called the WordPress theme repository. And you can do a search for different kinds of themes by niche, or you can select one of the ones that you see here. But in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about a free theme that you can use as a great starting point to build out your website. And that theme is called the Astra theme. So we're going to do a search for Astra, and here's the theme. Astra is a theme that is created by a company called Brainstorm Force, and they create a number of themes and plugins for WordPress that are extremely successful. So I'm going to go ahead and install this. Click on Activate. And now when we visit our website, you will see that the site looks a lot different, right? So it now looks like this versus looking like that. Okay, so we're already looking a little bit better. We have a header here, we've got a sidebar, and a content section area. Now, as you add content to your WordPress site, this will start to flesh out a little bit. And one of the things that I like about Astra, which we'll cover in another tutorial, is that they actually have starter sites that you can install and immediately get a site that looks great within just a few clicks. Matter of fact, I can show you some examples of their starter site. So if you go to their website, and I'll leave a link in the description below, you'll see sites like this. Everything is completely customizable, and they have great performance. But here are some of their starter sites. And for a better look at those, you can go here to starter sites, and you can see the different types of websites that they have. So a lot of these are free and can be imported into your WordPress site. And we'll cover that in a separate tutorial. Okay. Now, for every site that you install, or every theme you install, most themes will come with options. And a lot of times the best way to find those is to go into the dashboard, go to Appearance, and see here we have Astra Options. I'm going to click on that, and it'll take me to all the options that are available. So I can upload a logo, I can customize my fonts, I have layout options, blog layouts, sidebar options, and footer settings. In addition to that, I can also opt to go for the pro version of Astra, which is a paid version, and that would give me additional customizations and functionality for my theme. A lot of the changes that you would want to make in your Astra theme or any theme that you install will happen in what's called the WordPress customizer. So if I click on header options as an example, it'll take me to the front end of the website, and here I can see the different header options that are available to me. Okay, so here's what this looks like. So I can choose one where my logo is to the left. I can choose one where my logo is in the middle. See how that moved to the middle? And I can choose one where my logo is all the way to the right. Now, I definitely prefer my logo to be all the way on the left. And to see additional options, just simply click this arrow here, and you'll see the additional options that you have for the header. And if you click one more arrow back, you can see additional options for different areas of the website, right? So for instance, let's take the sidebar. So this is your sidebar area right here. Okay, let's say I don't want a sidebar. So I click on no sidebar, and immediately you can see the sidebar is now gone, and our site is now starting to look a little bit different. Okay, so you can play around with this. Check out, they have a number of really great options. Everything from being able to change the sizes of the columns. For instance, like the sidebar is 30% now, but I can increase this to, say I want it to be 42%, and now it's a lot bigger. What if I want it to be smaller? I can do that as well. And you can make all kinds of great changes. When you're done with your changes, just simply click Publish, like so, and your changes will be saved live to your new website. Okay, and that is how you install a theme. In the next video, we're going to be talking about plugins and how to install plugins to give you additional functionality for your website. And a video that will be following that will be how do you convert this into a website that looks more like something that you are seeing here. And I will show you how to do that in the next video. All right, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification button, and so that you can be notified of the upcoming videos that we'll be providing. And if there's any questions that you have, just leave it in the comments below. If there's any kind of tutorial that you want to see, please leave it in the comments below. Again, my name is Clifton with Clifton Creative Academy, and I will see you next time. Thank you.